Hi dear teachers, here we're going to talk about the volume of triangular prism. What is the volume of this triangular prism? And we have all the dimension and we have the four choices. So the best thing that I encourage you to do is to memorize the general formula. The volume of any prism. So I'm not going to say only for triangular or rectangular or pentagonal. I'm going to say the volume of any prism. So I'm going to make it more general, equal to the area of base of prism times the height of prism. If you remember this one, you can use it for any type of prism. So the volume of any prism equal the area of the base. So let's see here, since we call volume of triangular prism, that means the base is triangle. Because some student, they think that the base could be the rectangular base here. No, since we have the name of triangular prism, that means the base is triangle. So this is my base, the area of the base. That means the area of this triangle. And we know the area of triangle equal half time base time height of the triangle time the height of the prism. The height of the prism right away, it's here, 12. So now I need to find the value of the base of this triangle. I can see it here, 10. Time the height of this triangle, it's 8. Time the height of the prism, it's 12. Now I can easily simplify. I can say simplify 2 with the 8, it's going to be 4. So now it's going to be 10 times 12, it's 120. Times 4, 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 2 equals 8. And 4 times 1 equals 4. And for sure, because we are talking about volume, so the unit is going to be centimeter cube. So now if I find the answers, right away I find 480. This is C. So C is going to be the right choice. Thank you for listening.